Mwalimu, looking whatever is happening today at Unity Primary School, what memories do you have?
This is great. This is nostalgic because most of the Kenyan cricketers have come from such humble beginnings. This is what several coaches used to do, and then the rain began beating us. And I'm glad that this is coming now, and I'm glad the future of cricket in this country is going to be very bright with this.
Okay, and we remember that you also began your involvement in cricket through this kind of program. So, what memories do you have again when you see
I just as I've said, this is very nostalgic. My humble beginning in the game of cricket began from such grounds. I used to do this at North Highridge Primary with players like Collins, Buya and the company. Then I went to Riverbank with Rakai Patel and company, and it has been a great journey. So when I see children doing this, then I know the future of this game is very bright. I want to encourage all stakeholders to join hands and develop the game of cricket from this humble background. It is not about the huge money people are talking about. It begins from this level.
So what can you tell all these kids that you are seeing here today?
I want to encourage all these children. The future is bright. Let them take this seriously. Somehow there is something that will come out of this. And these are the talents of this country.
So thanks so much.